blasted me.
Stop. Alright.
Here comes the fun part. Welcome to Blossom.
It blasted me. Those guys knew it too. It was a
Wait, your thing was open.
Cleaning is gonna start.
So we got the premium wash.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, ew, gross.
cool.
The thing's pooping everywhere.
Oh wow.
The thing's pooping.
So
Yeah, everyone knows that. It's coming on what?
Wait, yeah, look at that. It's all over the window. There.
This is probably a pointless video. Oh, it's
No,
still
I
in
think
the
it's
back.
actually a pretty cool video. It's coming on my side now. I'm the king gamer, by the way. I'm the second one on the researcher king gamer. Where is
Alright,
it?
now we
Oh, it's
can't
right there.
see anything.
It's right there.
We can't see anything.
Oh, what's going on out there? I don't know.
Nothing.
Oh, it's coming away. Ah, a bug just flew in my ear.
Good for you.
Oh, gross.
We're all
Cut.
foamed up. How many?
Here it comes. Alright, I think I'm zoomed in too much. Oh yeah.
Oh, it's coming in the back. It's coming on my side now. My
Is it
window's
just gonna
like
go in
crazy.
circles over and over again?
It's peeing on us.
Oh.
Oh, look at up there. That is actually really cool.
Oh god.
It's coming around.
This is awesome.
It's raining hard.
It's peeing on us.
Yep, it's Hurricane Katrina 2.0.
Hurricane Katrina 2.0.
Peeing on us.
Oh god.
Peeing on us. Machine. It's coming back up at the top. Look. Coming to the
Oh, it's a plane! It's a plane! It's a plane! It's a plane! There's a plane flying around. It's a plane! It's plane! It's North Korea! JK!
Alright, we're getting washing now. Guys, we're gonna get polishing next.
Oh god, this is so fun.
That was the laser one.
Oh, it's coming around again. Awesome, 10 out of 10. Here it comes again. What the?
My window down.
I'm sorry, this lighting's bad. I'm actually just going in here bare. Like, I would like that.
Oh, now it's raining.
And it's just doing light wrenches now.
It's like a rain machine.
Pointless video 2.0.
It's not pointless.
I bet this is all just bad luck.
Oh my god.
Oh god.
Look at that. It looks so cool.
It's windy.
That looks so cool.
It's windy now.
Look at up there. All the water's getting blown off.
Wow, that's nice. It's the best thing ever.
Oh my god, that looks so cool.
It looks like there's effects.
That's like a
Probably
satisfying
won't be able to
feeling.
see it. And anyway,
This window up here looks really nice.
this was lit.
Or
I had a
either-
whole recording experience.
And then after we're gonna get
Yeah,
our
there's a
polish.
machine up here.
oh, that's it. Right there. Air dry.
But
Lit.
they need to try the car before they polish.
Legit. There's a plane coming. It's a big one. It's not really.
Like, we're
It's a
taking
machine.
off.
Oh yeah, it sounds like kind of like the plane. It's really like directly above us. Oh god. Oh wow. Oh my god. It's earthquake. It's earthquake. Not really though.
Oh, look at that.
That's legit, boy.
Now it's time for our polish.
Can we just do that again for no reason?
No, air drying is the last step.
Oh, that was
Well,
it?
that's it, guys.
Green light.
Rip.